Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals come to you live from Asia, guys. We got the brilliant alien in the house, and we got Dino the Dino, guys. It's been a while. We haven't seen these guys for a while, so we're going to be talking about what's happened this week for crypto. We're going to be talking about what's going on with Elon Musk and Dogecoin. It looks like some FUD is spreading around the world, and there's been some FUD saying that Elon Musk doesn't own any Dogecoin. So we're going to be talking about that, demystifying that, because there's been some negative FUD out there. Also, we're going to be zooming out on Bitcoin. Wendy Trendy is your friend, and we're going to be talking about some price targets and price predictions for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu as well, guys. So it's going to be pretty interesting. So, guys, if this sounds interesting, go down there, smash the freaking likes. It looks like that. You go down there, just hit it. You know, show you guys, show the world that you're actually out there and that you're a human being out there. That would be very, very much appreciated. So, guys, let's jump into it. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I would appreciate it. And also, too, we have one of our members just gave birth to a baby girl. So, congratulations to Jorgen and their family. Let me just pull that up for you. So here it is, guys. There it is. This is Jorgen's baby girl. She was born on the 17th of June. So congratulations, Jurgen. Congratulations, Barbara, for a beautiful new baby girl. And guys, God bless everybody out there. I appreciate it. So guys, please smash a like for Jorgen and their new baby girl that was born on the 17th. So it's a great time to be alive. So let's get into the content without any further delay. Go back and watch all of my other videos, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out there. Good news, good news. Looks like Binance, as I talked about, Binance and SEC agreed to allow only U.S. employees to access customer funds. So that's good news because originally Gary Gensler wanted to shut down Binance USA. In fact, Gary's real target is Binance.com. So it looks like what they've done is they segregated all of the entities. So the Binance USA is a separate entity from Binance.com. Good luck, Gary, going after Binance.com. And so basically all of the funds are safe. If you're a Binance USA holder, the platform is still working. However, the bad news is the on-ramping and off-ramping of fiat ain't working right now because banks are kind of like doing like that. So that's good news. It's good news. It's good news. What else is coming in, guys? You know, from the banking perspective, did you guys know that deposits at U.S. banks fell by 75.35 billion this week, the largest drop since March of bank runs. And this is huge, guys. As we know, this is a huge headwind for credit creation as we live in a credit-based global economy. Get the picture, guys. Cryptocurrency. Absolutely, cryptocurrency is big. Cryptocurrency is the only stabilizing fact out there when it comes to your wealth, my wealth. So what's been going on? What's been going on out there? So this week's top stories: U.S. lawmakers file SEC Stabilization Act to fire Gary. So it looks like United States Representative Warren Davison, we love you, brother, has introduced the SEC Stabilization Act into the House of Representatives. One of the main provisions is fire. You're out of there, Gary Gensler. So that would be good to remove that knucklehead, that asshat out there. So also the big news out there as well is BlackRock applies for spot Bitcoin ETF. And remember, about 99% of all of BlackRock's ETF applications have been approved, so that will be good. Now, some people like it, some people don't like it in terms of BlackRock ETF. I think it's a good thing. It's going to bring more liquidity in the market. That is why we saw the big bounce in the crypto markets. Looks like Binance CEO CZ denies rumors of selling Bitcoin to bolster BNB. That's completely erroneous. I don't believe it happened. And also, SEC Gary Gensler says Bitcoin ETF not a securities in a new video that surfaced. So there is a video that came out in 2018 when Gary was still a professor at MIT. And Gary is, on this video, he quotes a newly surfaced video from 2018 featuring Gary Gensler, the asshat, has made the rounds on social media showing that now chair of the U.S. securities regulator again, stating that multiple cryptocurrencies are not securities. Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did he name those four? They're not securities. Guys, so this guy is just, Gary. All I gotta say is Gary. Out there. So I thought this was interesting. This is a comparison of Bitcoin cold storage It's a Bitcoin a comparison of MicroStrategy and also Bitcoin ETF. So from my perspective, the best way to hold Bitcoin is on a Bitcoin cold storage because Bitcoin price correlation is good. Cash flow generating is not good, but that's not true because in fact you can connect your wallet to a staking and actually earn passive income. So the best way to hold Bitcoin is definitely on a hardware wallet. Bitcoin ETF is good for price correlation. Cash flow generating, no. Risk is good. Commissions, bad. Very high commissions on the ETF. But overall, a Bitcoin ETF is going to allow more institutions to ape in. So it's going to be good. It's good. It's good. Also, did you guys know that that Coinbase went after SEC Gary out there? And in a recent filing, a judge has ordered the SEC to respond by June to clarify what are securities and what are commodities when it comes to cryptocurrency on the Coinbase platform. But it's kind of cuckoo and strange how the SEC can ignore an order from a federal judge and get away with that. If that was you or me, if it was the alien or Dino out there, we'd be locked up, brothers and sisters. So it's just weird how they can get away with all this kerfuffle out there. Guys, 5 days, 3 days, 5 weeks, 3 days, 17 hours before we get the latest rate hike. 74% are saying rate hike 25 basis points. I don't know about that. I don't know. What's going on with the heating map? That's why Dino is here. Dino is here, boys, because we're seeing that most of crypto markets are up. Good news, very good news. Fear and greed. Yesterday we were at 47. Let's see, we are. Don't forget smash Dogecoin 1-1. Don't forget we're also going to be talking about some Elon Musk Doge FUD out there. We want to avoid the FUD. So it looks like the sentiment is getting a little bit more positive out there. Slam, bam, pow. Feeling more positive out there. Let's take a look at the crypto markets, see what's going on. Minty refresh time. We're seeing that the crypto markets are now 1.07 trillion. Bang. We're still up 0.68%. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance right now is over 48%. Good news, good news. And Ethereum is at 19%. That's good. Pepe's still trending. BNB, Bitcoin, these are the top 3 trending coins out there, so that is good. We're seeing that overall, in the last 7 days, we're seeing a nice rise for Bitcoin. Good news. We're seeing Ethereum last 7 days down, but up today. BNB is up 2.39%. It's up 2.57%. A lot of that has to come with the fact that the judge said, look, Binance, you're open for business. Get back to business out there. So that is good. XRP is up today. We're seeing Cardano's up 1.77. We're seeing the Doge is neutral out there. A little bit of a Debbie Downer on that one out there. Also, we're seeing that Shiba Inu is also up as well. So that's good. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu in depth as well. DXY coming up. We don't need that. Oh no. We're seeing that BTC right now is broken out of its descending wedge, which is good. We hit some resistance around about at the 26.5 area, 26.6 area. So this is some serious resistance that we need to get past. Otherwise, if we can't get past it, we're gonna get rejected at the downside. We could see $25,000 coming in for Bitcoin. So we'll have to wait and see. It's Sunday out there, so we're gonna see the volumes pretty light out there. You can see that the volumes are pretty light. I'll have to wait till Monday to see what's going on with Bitcoin. But we definitely need to break past the 26,600 level right here. Right here, guys. That's it. 26.6. Come on. We can do it. The alien thinks we can do it. You can do it. I can do it. What's going for Ethereum? Pretty much the same kind of situation. We're hitting the resistance wall here around about 1730, and we need to get past that because we have this whole descending wedge here. If we don't break out of that, we're going to get some rejection to the downside because we're going to hit that. We're going to get rejected, and that's going to push us down to this level here, which could be as low as 1650. And if that don't hold, we're going down to 1500. But I'm feeling bullish. I'm feeling apish. So nice. What will be driving the next Bitcoin super bull cycle? Definitely the BlackRock ETF. Asian market. I think China's going to come back on with cryptocurrency. We're seeing that also in Hong Kong right now, that the Hong Kong government has ordered banks to take freaking crypto, sign up crypto companies, no problem. We got the Bitcoin halving as well. Bitcoin halving is happening right now at you. Boom, Dogecoin 111. 302 days, 17 hours, 43 minutes, 21 seconds, and counting. counting people, that is going to be the next halving. So that is lovely jubbly. Also, we've got the presidential elections as well that's coming up in 2024. That could be good. That could be good. And also, we're seeing a decline in USD reserves as more nations sign up for the BRICS. The BRICS, guys. So maybe the US dollar is not going to be a sovereign country. Also, thank you, BlackRock. Maybe there will be presents under the children's Christmas tree after all. Bang! So if this BlackRock ETF gets approved, wow. We could see like, $50,000, $60,000 Bitcoin coming in by the end of the year. That would be huge. That would be amazing. That would be, I like it. That would be nice. Okay. All right. So looks like bears, bye-bye. You're out of there, bears. Bears had a short period of euphoria, right? But it's slowly time to switch back to bull mode. Oh yeah, baby. Bull mode coming. Currently, the BTC is back above the 200 weekly moving average, which is so important. We're back above it. We're back. We're there. We're doing it. Because anything below the 200 weekly moving average is very bearish. So the bears, get out of there. Get out of there. We don't need you. Also seeing, we're back above the 21 EMA. Bull market line as well. We're back above the 21. We're back above the weekly. Yeah. So that is good. And, we're breaking out this falling wedge. And we have this inverse head and shoulders as well. There's a shoulder. There's a head. There's a shoulder. A lot of things coming together here. That's telling me that, and this is on the weekly, in case you're wondering what time frame, the weekly chart. It's looking good. It's looking freaking good. We got 21-day EMA above it. Hats off. Weekly, the weekly moving average, 200 weekly moving average above that. Lovely, jubbly. And we've got the inverse head and shoulder. Bang! So all I got to say is get ready. Moonshot time. I can smell the rocket fuel. Can you? I can. Smell it pretty lovely. So this is from Trader Tardigram, my buddy. Thank you, brother. God bless you if you're watching this. Thank you for all the content. You are amazing. Bitcoin showing similar price action to 2022. That is a fact. Look at that. Inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge. And after this falling wedge, in 2020, you had a huge pump. That's where we had this double top, right? And it looks like the same pattern is falling as well. And we got the stock RSI as well. The Stoch RSI as well is also on the high side. Guys, it's a matter of time. The technicals ain't lying. And also, if you don't believe it, Wendy Trendy is your friendy. Zoom out, wake up, smell the coffee, grow a pair. And guys, stop whinging, stop whining. We're seeing that if we take a look at this on the RSI, exactly the same pattern before we had to break out to the upside. So, amidst a short-lived term volatility, it is sometimes advisable to step back. Wendy Trendy is your friend. Where you stand in the cycle. We're right freaking here. Boom time, guys. Boom time. Here we go. Here we go again. It's from Mustache. 2020 versus 2023. Similar pattern. Absolutely similar pattern. It's looking good. It's feeling good. Breakout city, guys. Breakout city. Here we go again. We're seeing here, again, pretty similar information. Pretty similar confirmation that Bitcoin is going up, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with Binance and Binance reserves and see if there's any movement out there, because I like to watch this. This is a good indicator of what is happening, what movement is happening with Binance. As you can see now, Binance is still loading up on more Bitcoin. Good times are ahead. In terms of leverage apes right now, we've got so far in the last 24 hours only 57 million. It's going to be pretty light. Big short squeeze are happening. Big freaking short squeeze. We're seeing mainly a short squeeze happening, and we're seeing that so far $10 million have been liquidated, short squeeze. So, guys, shorts are getting wrecked out there. Stop leverage trading. Stop it. It's crazy. It's insane, guys. If you're missing out on being fabulous, get a ledger. If you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, you could lose everything. You could be poo-poo shmata out there. Don't be poo-poo shmata out there. Also, guys, be part of the freaking conversation. Definitely you want to do it. Don't miss a beat. Don't miss a trick. Get it. Guys, and Dogecoin. What's going on with Dogecoin? Next up, Dogecoin to $1, BTC to 100,000, Ethereum to 20K. Doing only good every day. Feel the Dogecoin magic, guys. I love Dogecoin. How about you? How about you out there? there's been some interesting stuff happening in terms of Dogecoin analysis right now. We could see that Dogecoin could regain the 0.95 level. That is cool, guys. We could absolutely see Dogecoin getting back up to a 0.95 level. And we're seeing that for over a week, Dogecoin price has remained basically flattish, trading in a narrow range between 0.632. We know that sideways action could be the disorder created due to overall downtrend, the surge in buying pressure developed by discount prices. But overall, that Dogecoin could rise at the mid-to-current consolidation, and we're in consolidation phase. Dogecoin price respects two technicals right now. It's a 0.63 and the lower trend line of the channel pattern under the influence of the chart pattern. The coin price is likely to revert to higher ground, and we're seeing a lot of interest around about 0.63. Potential recovery could face selling pressure at 0.75, 0.83. So things are looking okay. We had this little bit of consolidation right here. This is whole consolidation here. I think the consolidation is over, and I think we're going to see a nice reversal. So we've seen this whole consolidation. Doge has been kind of consolidating since the 10th. This is when Gary Gensler, did his thing that he's going after, all those currencies out there. And that was a Debbie Downer event, and Doge has been consolidating. I think we're going to make a major move soon, and I think 0.73 is our next target, guys. I think 0.73 is definitely a next target. I'm thinking about it. What are you guys thinking? I'm loving it. You should be loving it too. I'm loving it. Also, there's this big FUD alert that's been going on right now. There are a lot of articles out there. The FUD alert, many media platforms are reporting this Elon Musk not owning Dogecoin, okay? But actually, it's got nothing to do with that. He does own Dogecoin. It has to do with, but it's actually, he only denied not owning Dogecoin wallets, okay? He doesn't own a Dogecoin wallet. And the wallets he's talking about, remember there's some major movement in some really big Dogecoin movements and these particular wallets. And he's saying, these are not my wallets, because this whole part of this litigation for the pump and dump. So, guys, Elon Musk does own Dogecoin. We know that. We absolutely know that. Because Tesla, you can buy merch for Tesla and SpaceX merch, and also the Boring Company also accepting Dogecoin. So definitely he does own Dogecoin. So, don't listen to all the garbage out there, guys. So what's going on right now for Dogecoin? Dogecoin right now, I'm giving this a minute to refresh, so talk about the technicals. Dogecoin is basically neutral. It's 0.6191, so 0.62 cents. We're seeing the volumes are down, and the market cap is down as well. What's got me scared, though, is we got the social sentiment. If you take a look at the weekly social sentiment for Dogecoin, it's bad. If you take a look at the daily as well, mentions are down. People are not talking about Doge, but engagements. People are looking for information. So, guys, get out there and start talking about Doge, guys. What's going on with Shiba Inu right now? Shiba Inu plunge below 70 million despite recent bullish announcement from Dev. So we've had a lot of bullish announcements for Shiba Inu. We've had Shibarium is there, but what's going on with Shiba Inu? Nothing. Shiba Inu has been trending down, down, and it's just poking its head to the 0.700 resistance level right now. But you can see that overall it's doing the meme coin trend. Same like with the Pepster, it's just going down. Same like with the Doji Woji, it's going down. But Doge will recover because the community is strong out there. So if you take a look at the Shiba Inu price right now, it's up. It's up 1.75%. It's almost at 700. A bunch of zeros 700 out there. Yeah, I'm disappointed. You should be disappointed too. If you're holding Shiba Inu, you're not in the money. 90% are out. So if you're in the money, you're one of the few who got in early. Booyah. That's all I got to say about that. So guys, gals, amoebas, cats and dogs out there, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. Guys, gear up into OG Gear. Be freaking blessed. Be freaking perfect. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.